What if you could fly back in time to an ancient world hidden in the clouds? High in the Peruvian Andes, Machu Picchu rises like a lost kingdom suspended between earth and sky. This drone journey takes you beyond the postcards and into the heart of the Incas' greatest masterpiece. Prepare to see Machu Picchu as you've never seen it before.
Rising nearly 8,000 feet above sea level, Machu Picchu stands as one of humanity's most extraordinary achievements. Surrounded by lush green peaks and sweeping valleys, this ancient Inca citadel has captivated explorers, historians, and travelers for generations. From the air, its beauty becomes even more breathtaking. Terraces spiraling down the mountainsides, stone temples aligned perfectly with the sun, and pathways woven like threads through the landscape. Built in the 15th century under the rule of Emperor Pachacuti, Machu Picchu was believed to be a royal retreat, a sacred refuge, and a place where the Inca honored the heavens. The city's architecture showcases remarkable engineering. Massive stones carved and placed so precisely that not even a blade of grass fits between them. These structures have survived earthquakes, storms, and centuries of isolation.
As the drone ascends, the surrounding peaks, Huayna Picchu and Machu Picchu Mountain, rise like ancient guardians. The clouds drift across the ruins, casting shifting shadows over temples, plazas, and stairways. You can almost feel the spiritual energy that early Inca builders believed connected their world to the gods. From above, the iconic terraces resembled giant green steps carved into the earth, an ingenious design that prevented erosion and allowed crops to flourish in the rugged mountain terrain. Every corner of Machu Picchu reflects the Incas' deep understanding of nature, astronomy, and harmony with the land. Today, Machu Picchu is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world, drawing visitors from every corner of the globe. Yet even with its fame, it maintains a sense of mystery, a peaceful, almost otherworldly presence that reminds us of the brilliance of ancient civilizations.
Machu Picchu is more than ruins. It's a living monument to genius, spirituality, and resilience. Seeing it from above reveals a masterpiece shaped by nature and shaped by human hands. If this aerial journey inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking views of the world's most extraordinary destinations.